Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna use gold color again to paint ginkgo leaves. Let's get started. This is the gold color that I'm gonna use. I've demonstrated how I mixed with, I think it's the same yellow color before, but if you haven't seen it, then this is how I mix the color. Take some gold color first, mix with the yellow to get the shades, and then I'm going to take just a little bit of blue color to get the shades. Ginkgo leaves are very pretty during the autumn when they all turn yellow. In watercolor, we always want some gradients. I think that the golden color makes the yellow color stronger and more interesting. You probably can't see the golden shade right now, but I'm going to show you a close-up later. Hopefully you can see it because this is a rice paper and I'm painting it in the daylight. The ginkgo is a tall and slender ornamental tree. It is native to Japan and it can be found in China. Ginkgo is very pretty in autumn when all the leaves turns golden yellow. And the leaves are very unique in shape. It looks like a fan with a small split in the middle. That is why I'm using two strokes to paint the leaf. The leaves grows in clusters on short branches. I suppose you can use black ink to paint the branch, but I prefer to use a bit lighter color in this painting. That's why I'm using the same shades of golden yellowed and green toned for the entire plant. Now I'm using ink to paint the bird. Even though I've rinsed my brush with water, there are still some residual golden shines in it. But it's okay as long as it doesn't mess up or dilute the black too much. In fact, I think that it adds some shine to it. That makes it look a little interesting. The other bird is facing this one, so I'm painting the chest first. The chest is a mix of yellow, orange, and red color. And then it is looking at each other, so I'm painting the head the other way. The beak is the shades of orange and red color, but it really doesn't matter. It's very personal. You can just use ink to paint it. It will be fine, I think. For the feet, I'm using the red color and mix with a bit of ink to get this brownish deep red color. Now I'm going back to paint a bit more ginkgo leaves. The reason why I'm doing it now is because as I paint, I just build it up and think that I can enrich this composition by adding a few more leaves. I'm adding some splashes of yellowed and green tone to the painting to indicate the abundance of the leaves. As I do this, I can see that the gold color is very concentrated because it is heavier than the natural watercolor pigment. So the splashing dots are smaller and won't expand that much as the color seeps through the rice paper. So I'm adding some larger dots by hand. For the eyes, I rinse my brush thoroughly and make sure that there is no residual yellowed or golden color in it. Otherwise, the eyes will not look sharp. This is a close-up of the ginkgo leaves with some golden shine in it. I hope you can see it because I'm using daylight and the golden shines is very subtle on white paper. But you can tell from the black that there is some golden shine on it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video.